Hello everyone, this is Sardonga, your physics teacher, and I welcome you to my official YouTube channel Kumpoy. Today I'm going to teach you chapter 1 motion. Before we start, I recommend you to connect with your earphone for better comprehension. Let's get started. Yes, here we have a question. What is physics? Physics azona kan nei ngala nilruwa engelo lang ngale achana chu. Physics is the branch of science which concerns with the nature and properties of matter and energy, or it can also be defined as the natural science that studies matter, its motion and behavior through space and time, and the related entities of energy and force. So here we have the definition of physics. Physics kan ti khanin ta hian matter aron se study of matter. What is matter? Chemistry kan zer thin matter tho khania ta aron se hi. Matter it has body and definite shape kan tia. Ni phung je phung fel tak nei matter kan tia. Chumi chan chin zerna each motion chet vel dante and behavior through space sa dan ani phung te and time unrei tak chungin engtinge a in thak dang lam ma engtinge a in transform khami chan chin zerna kha physics chunia ai zau zo ken han sei do ni la a scope zau to ka physics he universe kan thil mu thei lo zong zong te pok hi physics na huam veka scientist na an thil zer te hinga injir lai buwa kan zer bak ki thil tam takala oma chung chu physics scope a hian atel thei vek ani chuan let's go to the next slide. Yeah, here we have introduction. I highlight the main the important key here. So the first important key is states kan ti hian like in chemistry, physics also has two states. Chemistry ang tho kan state pani physics apo kan na ya. One is rest, another is motion. Okay, here is one physics term, mechanics. You always heard mechanics. What is the meaning of mechanics? Mechanics kan ti hian enge in ru lo lang le. Mechanics to in trafawa tun la ya chuanin word lar tak mai ne ma se physics term ania enge ani. Mechanics kan ti chuanin nge study of material object at rest and in motion. Til chelawa a omlai le motion a omlai zirna kha mechanics kan tia. Two-wheeler workshop ate khanga thok kha mechanic tin kan ko maya ase ani na taka chuanin rest object rest a omle motion a oma anni phung zirna kha mechanics. MECHANIC mechanics kan ti chuni tani no chan rest kan ti hi stationary ti point kan sei thia chuan thil chalo fixed position a om ho kha rest kan ti example lo pe don tai la house te tree te engoli rest example ania. Chan motion chu it changes, it continuously change its position a om ani na a om mun kha ason rengani hi chichia do kanjer turani wang tuna hen ko sefia wak lawanga chuan next kia chuan physical quantities and systems of unit kanele. You know physical quantity thil tamlam ate thei ho mo khang ho kha physically ate thei ho kha physical quantity kan tia chun kham khanin te na an mamole system of unit kan ti chun ate na man ruwa sei na khania hi po hi nakina detail de win kan la kal le nga chuan pathum na chun distance and displacement enge in ria thiam dan distance kan ti chuanin let zong soina khania distance is the actual length of the path covered by a moving body or any object between the initial and the final position. Suppose we have a boy here, let's say A goes to the position B. Ta hianin A ka B a han kalta a this distance kan sei chuan it is this let's say 2 kilometer. So this is straight line ngil takin akal distance, and also it can be like this akal kong akha zigzag ang pon akoi thaya b thlen nan khan a distance ani chuan straight akal ain akoi khanin distance ati don ni hi 3 kilometer lo ni le ta se anile. What about this displacement? Displacement is the change in initial and final positions of the object in a particular direction. Object displacement kan sei chuan A to B, A kha B a han kalnan straight in kan measure thin tan displacement ha chuan eng tiang po in local ko se zigzag pan kal se a displacement kha enge 2 kilometer ani chuan thui de po khan local se kwal theng ber pan kal se displacement chu 2 kilometer thau kha ani displacement big chuan da se na kila detail de in kan nazir lenga. And the next key is speed. I think it's speed in three way for two-wheeler in kal chuan in speedometer te om car te po local taula speed measurement automatic in measure thaya in muthaya enge ani le speed enge ani chia lo soi fia don taila. Speed is the rate of change of distance or the distance traveled by the object in a unit time. Antinana A kha hi kan sei fia liang A hi B thlenan distance kha 2 kilometer kan tia 2 kilometer chun time 2 kilometer thlenan ki engzat nge aman 1 hour lo mang tani. For example it takes 1 hour to reach the place B. So what will be its speed? Enge a speed chun yang a speed kan chun don chuan speed is total distance covered divided by total time taken. Hi speed chun ya amje chu equal thui zong eng tia thui po local tala I hun man zat arei chuan speed kha aniam don ti nania speed san don chuan I time man kha atlem tu ti nani chu. Then the next point is average speed and velocity. This also will covered in detail in the next video. Uniform and non-uniform motion, acceleration, distance time graph, velocity time graph, equation of motion, uniform circular motion. Heng ho hi kan cover to detail de kan zer to chun ni tani chuan let's go to the next slide. Yes, ching khan ka sei zo ya in physics there are two states. Physics are two states kan nei thu ka sei to a one is stationary or rest kan ti chuanin nge position fix ho ma a position an chason lo ni antina na building house te po hi an mun an son lo ni eng tia rei po ding se an chason thei lo wa chu stationary rest kan ti khania chuan tree te electric pole kan ti te mo eng ho hi mun son thei lo they are fixed in one position only. They cannot move from here to there, so they are stationary. Thiu chalo so inaka stationary chani mai ma. Then ni chena khanin mechanics kha ka soi fia zo ya mechanics kha antinan workshop ate two-wheeler workshop ate po nyang lova entawla. If you go there, you will see mechanics working on some engine chia nan lo thok lai the point muang engine kha nge combustion omna berania combustion atlen lo khan nge vehicle a wheel khati virtu ber chu khami combustion che khan wheel ka vir theini ma khami combustion khanin engine kha rest ani chuanin engma movement motion siam theilawa ma se combustion che khan engine in start che khan a wheel kha nge pressure pressure mangin a wheel kha han vira chuan mun la tak tak te pomin thlen pui theya chu mechanics kan soi khan rest and motion detail dewa minron kan zir theina kha mechanics chu tani chuan rest si kan soi to a adang le chu motion hinia state ni na state pa ni na chu motion hinia motion hi hemi chapter a kan zir tur berania uluk dewin a definition hi en la an object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to its surroundings with the passage of time. It means we can say object is in motion if it changes its position with respect to its surroundings with the passage of time. Time ama mo don ni chmon time hunakal zela ama mun abul vela thil ne na anin la zong kha apungem ama kha che ni chuan a surroundings environment a enge in te po thing te electric pole te khang ding fix ho reng kha ama atangin ahla zelem ahla zel chuan motion a che ti nania ani lo chuan they are at rest alat lo chuan in rest stationary kan ti khan le maya chuan motion example a chuan a moving car or vehicle car te po kan starta atlanta initial position atangin atlan la tal final position a pe chen thui tak ka thleng thei ta ni chu a moving car hi motion example a kan mang thei ani next slide ta kal leila. Yes, here we have quantities to enge ani le all those quantities which can be measured physical quantities kan ti chuan thil engpo kan te thei ho ma. For example, length, mass, temperature, time, this all can be measured heng ho ate thei vekani ma khami te thei ho jong ka physical quantities kan ti chunia. But in these physical quantities we have two types. The first one is scalar quantity and another is vector quantity. Let's look into scalar quantities. Scalar quantities in big taila it's scalar quantity is the quantities which do not depend on direction depend lo pota and can be measured only by magnitude or quantity. Magnitude kan ti chuan quantity po kan ti thei ni ma. Direction kan soi chuan north, south, east, west ma khango khat direction ania khami tel lova thil kan te thei ho ma. For example, time, temperature, weight iri zong po kha kari zong chu kg somnga east ani tin kan soi ngai lo taro a direction kha kan mo lo ani chuwang chun direction ngai lawa kan measure thei ho kha scalar quantities kan ti chuni tani ma. Enge vector quantity chuni ve thungang It is dependent on both direction as well as magnitude. Vector quantities at chuanin direction ka kan soila na ngai ma east, west, south, north khami ka vector quantities define nan atangkai angai ti na ni chu ma. For example at chuan force hi eting a direction kan say. Suppose here we have box and we want to put this box to the direction, to the place here. Let's say this position is A and this is B. We want to shift this box position from A to B. Okay, then you apply pressure here. You push the vaka, it will move to the position B. Position B hunting tani. So a direction hi antaula. Initially the object is at the north omta ma north mikha khoira manga I push le south lama I push ma a direction ka south lam hoizong in akal force kha a measure theya ma se a direction kha isoilan lo chon khoila makal nge ani isoilo chuan enge a direction kha a chet sum na mun kha kan soi theilo ani chuan enge example dang kan man liang tuna izin don ta you are going to travel from Aizawl to Selling, Aizawl to Lunglei. Let's say Aizawl to Lunglei. Motor ai chuang tani ma motor ai chuanga chuan khoilam hoizong in nge ikalang force petu chuk enge engine kan force apega wangin motor kha atlan thai tani engine kha start ni talo se engma pressure petu kha omlo se I motor kha tlan don mi lawa mun ngaya reng don ni Aizawl la tangin Lunglei thlen nan khan I motor kha install lo chuan enge engtika mai thleng thei don lo ti nan ya ma se engine starta Lunglei lam pana ikal chuan hun enge moti chungin array emot ta emo speed a zir khan ama mo Lunglei chu I thleng nge don ta ni ma chuan I direction chu khoilam nge ni tang Aizawl to Lunglei chu south ma south direction ania chu vector quantities ani dinane chu direction manga soifia ngai chi kha vectors quantities ania direction tel lawa kan soifia thei weight kan ti te temperature kan ti te time kan ti te hi scalar quantities kan ti chu ani tizong hi when a class chuloni ta sila in homework assignment atan chuan he ta kan soi heng important key, the main key can highlight how zong hi a definition in ranzia kanga. You have to write the definition of this important key and you have to submit it to me before 7 p.m. So after 7 p.m. I will not accept your assignment because I have to submit it to the principal. So try to finish and submit on time. Thank you.